Welcome back to TCMIC Daily CNC News. Thank you for tuning into our daily news summary program on the field of machine tools and automation. Today is August 1st, 2023, and together we'll be tracking the latest developments in the global industrial sector. Before we have AI misread the news for us, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest news summary every morning. Let's begin with today's news highlights.
The first news, according to a survey, China's factory activity contracted in July due to a decline in export orders, posing a greater challenge to the ruling Communist Party to reverse the slowdown in economic growth. The Purchasing Managers Index released by the National Bureau of Statistics and industry groups rose from 49 in June to 49.3 in July, but remained below the 50-point mark that separates expansion from contraction. Aaron Zinn, an analyst at HSBC, stated in a report that China's manufacturing PMI is still in a contraction phase, although the pace has eased from the previous month, but external factors have weighed. This puts pressure on the Beijing government to support economic growth, possibly through fiscal and monetary measures. China's leaders are currently attempting to boost economic activity by supporting entrepreneurs committed to creating jobs and wealth. However, they have not provided details on possible tax cuts or spending and are avoiding announcing large-scale stimulus measures. The demand for China's exports has weakened due to the impact of rising interest rates in the United States and Europe as a response to record-breaking inflation. Domestically, consumers are worried about potential unemployment issues leading to delayed major purchases. The real estate sector, a key economic driver, is also experiencing weakness due to government regulatory policies on industry debt. The Export Order Index, according to data from the National Bureau of Statistics and the China Federation of Logistics and Purchasing, dropped from 46.4 in June to 46.3 in July, far below the contraction level of 50. The economic growth rate for the 3 months ending in June slid from 2.2% in the January to March period to 0.8%, equivalent to an annual growth rate of 3.2%, marking the weakest growth rate in decades. Second news, in the upcoming month of September, Germany will host the EMO exhibition, a grand event in the machine tool industry. Jiachen Precision will also participate in this event. With over 20 years of experience in the roller cam and follower bearing industry, Jiachen Precision focuses on producing extremely small fitting clearances, high precision tolerances, and high-quality products, including various products such as camshafts and grooves. Their customers include major machine tool component manufacturers and national technical research institutions covering northern, central, and southern Taiwan. Jiachen Precision specializes in custom production of roller cam bearings. They have introduced a superfine roller cam bearing that meets usage requirements directly after high-precision processing, eliminating the need for running and tests. Additionally, they were the first in the machine tool industry to launch the 4th and 5th axis rotary table, eliminating the running and relationship between bearings and camshafts and providing direct data to ensure axial runout is within the precise range, greatly improving lathe processing efficiency and accuracy. If you are interested in Jiachen Precision's products, be sure to visit their booth at EMO Exhibition, Hall 7, Booth A26, to personally experience their exhibits and learn more about their professional expertise and excellent products. Third news, the Taiwan Association of Machinery Industry has proposed several suggestions, urging the government to stabilize electricity prices and align carbon costs with international standards to assist the industry in achieving green transformation. Regarding stable electricity prices, the Machinery Industry Association suggests allowing companies to adjust their contracted electricity capacity, which could save more than $10 million in fixed costs. This would help reduce cost burdens for businesses during the current period of economic downturn. At the same time, the government can subsidize the restoration costs of power lines when the economy recovers, estimated to be around $10 million, encouraging companies to invest actively and resume normal production operations. Moreover, nearly 40 member companies have applied for the Invest in Taiwan 3 major programs. However, factors such as the COVID-19 pandemic and global economic downturn have increased building material costs and extended project timelines, increasing the burden on enterprises. The association hopes the government can provide assistance by extending the loan periods for land construction, machinery equipment, and working capital by 3 years to alleviate the burden on businesses and help them overcome the difficulties. In addition, promoting energy conservation and carbon reduction is another important proposal of the Machinery Industry Association. Taiwan will begin levying carbon fees in 2024, while other countries impose carbon tariffs. Although the Taiwan machine tool industry will not be subject to carbon fees in the short term, when products are exported abroad, they may be subject to certain carbon tariffs. Therefore, the association hopes Taiwan's carbon fee system can be aligned with international standards. The Machinery Industry Association stated that they will continue to assist the industry in quickly and systematically conducting carbon audits and promoting the establishment of product category rules for machine tools. Through standardization and procedural development, they will complete the PCR document, helping the industry set carbon footprint coefficients and accelerate carbon audits for manufacturers. Fourth news, with the continuous advancement of artificial intelligence, the future applications of robots and automation will become more prevalent than ever before. Whether it's household robot vacuums, companion robots for pets, or lawn mowing robots, they will gradually become a part of our daily lives. However, despite their apparent intelligence, these robots still have some limitations. For instance, our household robots can only perform pre-programmed simple tasks, such as navigating and vacuuming the house, trying to avoid walls when their sensors detect them. Yet, traditional robot control systems are not designed to deal with new situations and unexpected changes, and they usually cannot execute multiple tasks simultaneously. Fortunately, Google DeepMind recently introduced an innovative technology called RT2, the first visual language action model applicable to robot control. This system is trained using textual data and images from the internet, similar to the training methods used for large language models like ChatGPT and Bing. The RT2 model brings a higher level of intelligence to robots, enabling them to handle more complex tasks and situations and to adaptively respond to new environments and changes. The application of this technology will significantly expand the capabilities and scope of robot functions. With this innovative technology, we can foresee that robots of the future will be able to adapt more flexibly to our needs, becoming smarter and more versatile companions. Google DeepMind's RT2 system brings more possibilities to the industrial and automation fields, and we look forward to witnessing the remarkable development of robots in the future. Fifth news, recently, the robot giant Fanuc released its financial report for the period from April to June 2023. Due to concerns about the global economic slowdown and the prolonged impact of inventory adjustments on production, orders for robot-related businesses significantly declined. Consequently, Fanuc had to slash its financial forecast for the current year, and the revised forecast fell far short of market expectations. Fanuc initially projected a combined revenue target of 8,195 billion yen for the fiscal year from April 2023 to March 2024. Now, it has been revised down to 7,503 billion yen, a year-on-year decrease of 11.9%. The combined operating profit target has been revised down from 1,563 billion yen to 1,183 billion yen, a year-on-year decrease of 38.2%. The combined net profit target has been revised down from 1,371 billion yen to 1,131 billion yen, a year-on-year decrease of 33.7%. It is worth noting that Fanuc's revised financial forecast is based on the assumption of an exchange rate of $1 to 130 yen and €1 to 145 yen.
That concludes today's TCMIC Daily CNC News. Industrial automation is constantly evolving, so stay tuned for our program as we continue to bring you the latest updates and information in technology. If you enjoyed today's program, please give us a 5-star rating or a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments what other interesting news you'd like to hear about. Have a wonderful day.